Yeah, what's up guys, my name is WayForward. Welcome to my 7th Visual Basic tutorial, and this will be the opposite of the previous tutorial. So I'm just going to change a couple of things here and then wrap up this tutorial. So I told you how to convert a text into an uppercase. Probably if it's in lowercase, you can just convert it to uppercase, and if it were to be in uppercase, it will still be uppercase. So in here I'll be doing a simple conversion of an uppercase to a lowercase. So the method to do that, or the function, is just to change this to lower, which is up here. So it's just simple like that. So that's just what we're gonna do here, and let me change it to lowercase. So now I declared a variable which is dim1, it is a string, and also a text which is also a string, and then num1 is going to get the text in the text box 1, and then a text is going to convert the text here into a lowercase, and then the message box is going to print out the lowercase text. So now to run this, let me just type a lowercase, which is upper, and then it takes it to lowercase. So this is just a simple way to convert an uppercase text into a lowercase. Thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy. Peace out.